In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can, with just a few clicks of your mouse, drastically increase the profitability of your YouTube ad campaigns. And the great news is anyone can do this. You don't need to be techie. It's perfect for any niche. And if you're not doing it, you really need to be applying these changes to your campaign immediately. Now, before I dive into the weeds and I show you exactly how this is done, what you need to understand is that these ad platforms like Google and Facebook and LinkedIn and whatnot, these organizations are businesses, okay? And they're in the business of making money, right? Now, there are about 3 different ways that these platforms can make money. The first is by increasing the cost of traffic, right? Which they can do, but they can only do so much of that, right? Now, the second thing they can do is generate more users for their advertising platform, right? And the third thing they can do is by generating more clicks into your campaign, right? Now, more clicks isn't necessarily a good thing because not all clicks are created equal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid 2 traffic traps that would generate hundreds and hundreds of clicks for super cheap, but they will never ever convert and they will suck the life out of all of your YouTube campaigns. Now, without any more mucking around, let's jump over to my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now, here we are inside my test account, and just imagine that this is your campaign. You just set it up, right? Now, if I were to start this campaign and run it as is, what will happen is Google will start generating tons and tons of traffic, okay, from the Google Display Network and from mobile apps. So what we need to do is we need to exclude these specific placements from our campaigns. If you don't do this, you will spend so much money on absolute crap traffic, okay? Absolute crap traffic. So how do you do that? Well, I'm glad you asked. So what you need to do is you come up to Tools and Settings. Click on Tools and Settings, and then under Shared Library right here, you click on Placement Exclusion Lists, right? Click on that. And then what happens here is we need to create 2 lists, okay? One for the Google Display Network and one for mobile apps. So you click this big fatty blue button right here, and you click on New List. And we're going to call this one Google Display Network, right? Now, the next thing you do is you come down here and you click on Enter, right? Now, under Enter, you need to type in Google AdSense, okay, underscore, without, underscore, YouTube, I can spell, .com, okay? So Google AdSense without YouTube.com. So basically what you're saying here to Google is, hey, Google, I want you to exclude everything on the Google AdSense network that doesn't have YouTube.com in it, all right? And so after you've done that, you hit Add One Placement, okay? And you hit Save. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to exclude mobile apps, all right? This is one of the worst sources of traffic you can possibly get. And the reason it's terrible is because you'll have kids who are on their parents' phones, for example, and they'll be playing some game where they're tapping away super crazy, like Fruit Ninja or something like that, and they will accidentally click your ad, right? So basically what happens is your budget just gets totally consumed by these accidental clicks. Now, these clicks may only cost like 5 cents or 10 cents or 15 cents, right? Super cheap clicks, right? But they never, ever convert, right? So we need to exclude them. So what you do, again, click on the big blue button, New List, and then we'll call this Mobile Apps. Now, there's a couple ways that you could, install this into your account. So the first way is you come down here and you click on the app categories. And then you go through every single one of these, making sure you click on all these arrows and you just tick on every single one, okay? I don't have patience for that nonsense, right? So what you do instead is you come over to Enter, click on Enter, and in here, you type in mobile app category, colon, 69500. Okay, so mobile app category, colon, 69500. Add one placement. Okay, and boom, it automatically excludes all the apps for you. Okay, hit Save. Right now, we're not done yet. We're very close, but we're not done yet. So then what we do next is you then select each of these lists. We hit Apply to Campaign, and then we choose our campaign, and bippity boppity boop, they are now applied to your campaign, right? Now, you need to make sure you do that for every single campaign that you create, right? Now, to make your life easy, what I'll do is in the description below, I will put exactly what you need to put inside these place exclusions. So all you do is copy and paste it straight in there. Now, if you would like to have extra help with your YouTube campaigns, or maybe you're already spending money on Facebook ads and you want to get into YouTube advertising and you're spending at least $1,000 a month on advertising, in the description below, there are a couple links. One will lead to a YouTube ads training that you can check out, and the other one will lead to a book a call where you can schedule a 45-minute call with us. It costs $97 to do, and you'll get on a call with myself, and I'll be able to show you whether you'll be profitable with YouTube ads before you even start YouTube ads. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you have any questions in regards to YouTube advertising, or if there are any specific videos that you'd like to see about YouTube advertising, put them in the comment section below, and I try to read and reply to all the comments that go into the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video.